Want to keep all your important contacts organized? Let me show you how to create a contact list in AOL Mail. First, open AOL Mail and log in. Click on the contact icon located at the bottom left corner. Here you can see the option List. Tap on it. On the contact page, click on Create List. Enter a name for your contact list and start adding contacts to it. You can either type in their names or email addresses. Once done, click Save to create your contact list. Now, when you want to send an email to the entire list, just type in the list name and hit Send. How do you organize your contacts? Let me know if you use contact list or any other method in the comments. If you can't find the Create List option, make sure you are in the right section of your Contacts tab. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.